Today we're going to be learning how to make the perfect Greenlandic coffee. We'll be joining the staff of the Hotel Falcon in Unisat to see how they make the coffee, and then we'll be trying it at home. And we'll learn a little bit about the drink. We'll see it's not just a drink to keep out the cold, but it also symbolises the country of Greenland. I'm just getting ready and assembling the ingredients to make Greenlandic coffee at home. I'll give you the recipe at the end so you don't need to take notes, but I'll just show you what we've got here. We start with whiskey, and then we've got Grand Marnier, and we also have a bottle of Kahlua. I've got coffee brewing on the stove and cream in the fridge. One thing more that you'll need is something to flame the Grand Marnier at the end, and I've got the burner for my fondue set. It should be quite safe, but you may just want to have a damp towel to hand just in case.
So I will tell the story. The drink starts with some Kahlua, which symbolizes the soft Greenlandic woman. Kahlua, den symboliserer den bløde grønlandske kvinde.
Hvor er hun henne? Hvor er she?
And now we're trying it at home, starting with 20 milliliters of Kahlua.
And then we pour in the whiskey, which symbolizes the strong and tough Greenlandic man.
And now we're adding 20 milliliters of whiskey.
And then we pour in the coffee, which symbolizes the big Greenlandic country.
And now we're adding the coffee, probably about 300 milliliters per person, or a bit less or more if you like.
And then we put in the whipped cream, which symbolizes the icebergs, yes.
And now we're going to add a big dollop of whipped cream to the glass to symbolise the iceberg.
Then we pour in the Grand Marnier, which symbolizes the northern lights. So we set flames to it. Yeah.
And now we're adding 20 milliliters of Grand Marnier. You don't have to flame the Grand Marnier, but if you don't, you are going to miss out on the effect of the northern lights. And now it's ready, the perfect Greenlandic coffee. So this is the recipe: 20 milliliters of Kahlua, 20 milliliters of whiskey, 300 milliliters of coffee, whipped cream, and 20 milliliters of Grand Marnier. Happy drinking!